This video was taken in Austria when I was working with an Afghan refugee young man. What's interesting about it, because I've worked with many refugees all over the world, is I see a similar pattern. The pattern is that all of their energy is stuck in their legs, ankles, and feet. The reason for that, I think, is because they either had to run out of terror because of bombings or shootings, or they had to walk very long distances to get to safety. In this video, you'll see how I noticed that in his body, then how I released that excited charge in his legs and moved the charge up his body. Okay, so we put him in the starting position. I can see what's happening. There's good movement already. I can see it's starting to move his hips and his sacrum, okay? So it's kind of relaxed. So close your knees a little bit more. Right there, perfect, good. Take a breath. Now that's a pretty strong movement, okay? And kind of big. Is there any pain? Okay, good. So I don't need a movement that strong if I'm going to make an intervention, because this is too big and I can't see more refined what's happening. So I'm going to have him put his feet flat because we have enough energetic charge. So I'm going to have you turn your feet flat. Good. Dump your feet like that. Perfect. Okay. So there. All right. So now we have enough movement there, and I want to see what the position does. Does it help the shaking come up the body at all? Ah, good. You okay? Yeah, I can see some nice stuff happening. Okay. So take a breath. Okay. So you see already there's a big charge from that, okay? Okay, slide your legs down and relax. Just rest there for a minute. Breathe. Nafasami. Yay. Good. It's a lot of energy. That's not our problem. Moving it gently through the body is going to be our trick, okay? You all right here? I'm pulling on his neck now. It's tight up here in his neck. So I'm just giving it a little bit of a pull. I can feel I'm stretching there. Nice stretch down to the sacrum. Now with most men, you'll often see belly movement and not chest movement. Their chests are usually frozen or stuck. That's always a complication of the tremor mechanism. There we go. That's it. This is what I'm looking for. Softer tremor. I don't need it so big. This is what I call the organic pulsation of the organism. I'm not doing anything to force the tremor to happen. I just released his neck, and now this is how it's pulsating naturally. Where do you feel the movement in your body? Okay, so he's saying he feels it here, and I'm curious because it does look like his quadricep muscles are moving here and not up here. So I want to feel his quadricep muscles to see what's going on down here, okay? And look how strong it's getting. There, right there. Okay, so I'm pushing into the muscle where I think it's originating from. Take a breath. It's nothing about me. That's it. There's a lot of movement in his feet, which is different than the movement in the legs. Okay, there we go. All right, so now there's some sort of release happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold his legs a little bit. I'm going to inhibit the movement down there and see if we can move it up the body a little bit more. Okay? Boy, his legs are fighting really strong against this resistance. Really strong. Okay, now I'm going to give them a break to express themselves. Look at the feet and look at the legs. So you see his shoulders releasing now? So now we have the whole body moving, which is going to restore symmetry back in the structure. But the excited charge probably the terror is down in the legs and the feet. Open your eyes. Look at me. Are you okay? Are you sure? Okay. All right. There. See how the shoulders are moving? See how we have movement starting to come up the spine? All because he had all his energy stuck down there, and it was there for a reason. It helped him survive his life. Now I inhibited the energy down there, and it's now being directed to come up here. So now we pull the whole structure together. Okay? You okay with that? Yeah, okay. All right. All right. See how his arms are starting to move? I'm telling you, it's not very complicated if you know what you're doing. The tremor mechanism is a true miracle in the structure of the body. That's going to restore this man and take the trauma out of his body. His whole story can come out. He's young enough, and look what he accesses so quickly. Okay, take a breath. Enough on me. Okay. So you're going to sit up now, okay? Oh. You're going to sit up. That's it. And rest. Rest right there. Take a breath. Take a breath. There you go. How do you feel? Yeah. That's it. Take a breath. Nafas on me. Very good. He's your therapist. Very good. There goes. There goes the diaphragm. I'm waiting for that diaphragm to inhale by itself, where I could sense the body is, yes, letting go. It worked hard. That was a lot of work for the tissue. And I want to integrate. Okay, come on and stand up. Okay. Thank you so much.